This is very concerning for Wells Fargo customers as well as those who use online banking services. In a startling revelation, a woman claims that her savings account with Wells Fargo has disappeared without a trace. TikToker Denise Devine details the mysterious disappearance of a decade-old savings account.
According to Wells Fargo, there is no history, no record, no indication that I ever even had a savings account with them. So then they asked for a statement, and the only statements I get are online. The only way I can access them is by going into the account that is vanished. So I don't have access to any statement. Let this be your reminder to monitor your bank accounts.
Wells Fargo is a multinational financial services company with headquarters in San Francisco, California. With its extensive network of branches and a wide range of financial products and services, Wells Fargo has established itself as one of the largest banks in the US and holds a prominent position in the global banking industry. As a global financial institution, Wells Fargo has a strong international presence, providing banking and financial services in 35 countries worldwide. Wells Fargo has faced several controversies and legal issues that have tarnished its reputation.
Please keep an eye out for your guys' bank account. I literally just got off the phone with Wells Fargo. We went over every freaking transaction, and she's like, yeah. How does that happen? Like, who else can I contact? I was just telling this lady, bro, I monitor my money very good. And I know you guys had lawsuits before where you guys are just taking money out of people's account. I'm nobody. So how can I get the word out that my money is missing in my account? That's over $550. I got a whole other week until I get paid. $86 in my bank account, and what am I supposed to do? I told this lady, I just moved into my apartment. I don't even have a water bottle in there.
From fraudulent account openings without customers' consent to improper foreclosures, Wells Fargo's history is clouded by bad management. Just last week, customers were calling out the bank for unexpected charges popping up in their accounts. Thousands took to social media platforms to call out Wells Fargo for either not alerting them about a technical issue or questioning if the withdrawals were legitimate. All of these failures contradict the bank's new branding, which is trying to paint itself as a technology company.
So I like to consider Wells, right, being a financial institution company, so I consider us a technology company that does banking. As a customer, right, like we were talking about, there's so much that we've been able to release over the couple of years, right? I mean, decades worth of automation and technology has been coming out, but lately, right, the way we provide for our customers, how fast at scale what we're doing for our customers, it's been significant, right? And I think our goal is always how can we enhance the process for our customers and how can we provide them the next best thing, and I think technology has really allowed us to evolve with our customers. We integrate very well with these new tools. We do proof of concepts where we try to, what's on the market, what's hot, how can we involve these new tools in our processes, how can we provide a better end result for our customers by bringing in these new tools. So we have a lot of different teams that bring, their jobs are to do these proof of concepts and help us build and evolve our own strategies, right? So it keeps us on our toes, and I think it keeps, all these new things that are coming out in the market, we're a part of it. We want to evolve with what the latest and greatest is, and it's been working, right? As customers of financial services and us managing our money through through banks, it's been great.
The business is the application.
Yes.
And how do you guys make that happen when it comes down to getting the teams aligned? What's the culture like? Explain.
So at Wells, we have evolved so much over the last few years. The culture right now is we want to make changes. We are making changes. We want to drive through innovation. We want to be able to provide it's a developer-centric approach right now, right? We want to push to the next and the greatest.
Wells Fargo has been working to rebuild trust, but the challenges the bank faces are substantial. Leadership plays a pivotal role in setting the tone and direction of any organization. Wells Fargo underwent a change in leadership, bringing in Charles W. Scharf as CEO. Scharf has emphasized the importance of ethics, customer focus, and compliance, aiming to reshape the organizational structure to one that prioritizes integrity and accountability. The bank is emphasizing the importance of ethical conduct, proper sales practices, and customer engagement. Wells Fargo has also been actively involved in philanthropic initiatives, supporting various community programs and organizations. There is no doubt that the bank is trying to rebuild its image. But always remember, a trustworthy bank should be transparent about its terms, fees, and conditions.